What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I'm the auction dog, and today I'm looking a little crazy. My hair's all over the place. It's about 100 degrees out here in Florida, but I got a really special find that I want to show you guys. And this kind of stuff does not normally come through the auction. It really is quite a rare sight on the street, let alone in here. And for all you BMW lovers out there, man, this is gonna be a good one. So just check this out. Like, long story, just to make a long story short, as I normally say, there's a record company locally that had these cars, and I knew about them, and they told me that we're going to bring them here, and we tried to buy them today, and frankly they went for too much money in my opinion. 4 grand each. And I'm looking at them right now, and boy, they're freaking sick. So I want to show you guys this, and you're gonna be kind of blown away to the fact that this kind of stuff is even makes it into a dealer auction, honestly. So check this out. Two 850i's, both of them non-running, but both are extremely complete, you know. Let's start with the blue one here. Obviously it is an 850. It's a what's the name of this color here? Mauritius Blau metallic. And frankly, it's beautiful. This nice blue over a dove gray interior. All's here. Hot as hell on the inside of it, but it's all here, dude. Like, it's all here. I love these cars. I really do. I love the shape of them. You know, like B-pillar, completely B-pillarless. When the windows are down, they look very, very nice overall. Like, kind of factory wide body, but not too much. Just this nice little kick out here. Whoever shaped this car, and I could look up the guy who designed it, did a very, very nice job. Honestly, it looks fantastic. It really does. And overall, I mean, the parts for these things are going insane lately. Just like these panels for the fan shroud, and just everything for these things is going insane as far as pricing goes. And these things brought a lot of money at auction. They don't have any keys. Nobody knows if they run. Nobody knows anything about them. As far as I know, the cars were they were abandoned, and a tow company locally to me got both of them, pulled titles on them, and this is as they sat since then. But both of them were abandoned by the previous owner. He owned both of them. So it's just crazy to think that a car like this could be abandoned by somebody, and that's it. They don't give a shit, you know. That's it. So it's just really crazy. And like, no rust, completely clean front to back. Obviously these aren't the factory wheels. These are M5 reps. This color would have been so nice the day that they came out, man. And being in Florida, this is what they look like on the top, obviously, all the time. You know, just completely roasted and roached. Oh, still got a flashlight here. Should I steal that or no? Probably not. Lots of paperwork. Frederick Lee Maddock. They were out of Riverview Drive. Wow, I used to live right by this fucking guy. That's crazy. Frederick Lee Maddock. Yeah, Frederick Maddock, 7408 Riverview Drive. Huh. It looks like he bought this car. Wow. Wow. He bought it in 2008 for 9,100 bucks. That's crazy. Down payment $200. $8,900 due. So $9,100 is what he paid for this thing. Running 138,000 miles in 2008. Why would he let it just go to shit like this? That's crazy. 9,100 bucks though? I feel like that's a good deal. In 08, to put that in perspective, I graduated high school in 2010, and I'm 30 years old. So he had these things for quite a while, and he just let it sit. Door's got a massive dent in the side of it right there. So, just crazy. Wow. So let's get some stills of this thing, and we're gonna look over this red one too. But this thing is sick, honestly. I just think that overall, it just is a beautiful. They're just such beautiful cars. They really are. Really are. I wouldn't even put power to this fucking thing. $9,100. That's mind blowing. That is mind blowing. Freaking A. So for car number 2, we have a 91 that is Calypso Rot. And this one is also just as complete as the blue one is, which is crazy. I'm trying to kind of rush and get through these because, as you can clearly see, it's Florida. And we got a thunderstorm bearing down on me right now, which kind of sucks. But I didn't want to miss this opportunity to film this for you guys, so you at least see that this kind of stuff is still out here. You know, oh my God, it's torching in here, bud. What did he buy this one for fuck's sake? No paperwork in here, hold on. Oh, no paperwork in here. But this one's obviously got a little more basic beige interior. Wood grain, stick-on wood grain, that's the fake wood grain shit, which sucks, but you know, it is quite nice overall. The interior is just very complete on both of these cars. You know what I'm saying? And the cars overall, the 850 probably requires a little less. Sorry, they're both 850s, but the Calypso Rot probably requires a little bit less work as far as body work, because it's completely straight front to back. But dude. And I don't think these wheels are original, obviously. I think these are also E39 wheels. And I'm not sure. I think the E39 is the only car that has the 74.1 hub bore. So these are both probably non-fitting. I would imagine they don't have subject rings in them, you know. But as far as overall, this car is freaking sweet too, dude. It really is. It really, really is. I'm just so surprised to see 2 early 90s European classics in a freaking not a junkyard, but inoperable like this in the same yard at once, from the same company, the same owner. Just sad that they ended up like this. It really is. And for, you know, just to lead it off with a good story at the end, the same buyer bought both of them. He paid well over $4 grand for both of them, which is insane to me. I was up until 3. I was in until 3, but I'm not paying 4. And he bought both of them. So I'd assume they're both going to get restored. Hopefully not parted out. Hopefully fully restored. And done, these cars are worth, you know, 20 grand. Maybe with a little bit lower mileage. Clearly, I don't think anybody knows how much mileage is on that. But that car's got over 150 of it on it. I imagine this is probably close to the same. But these V12 cars are a lot of fun. They really are. Not extremely fast, but they're damn cool. Honestly. So, just insane. You know, I've been buying and selling BMWs for 4 years now. 3.5 years. And I've never even seen one of these in an auction, let alone there are 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? And they're just getting harder and harder to find complete like this, like not even modified. It looks like somebody stopped driving these things and let them sit, and that's as they are right now. So just crazy. Really, really is. So this storm's bearing down on me. The pressure's dropping right now. I can feel it. The wind's picking up. So I'm gonna get the hell out of here because I got about a 10-minute walk back to my car. And hopefully I can avoid the rain. But dude, insane. You just don't see this kind of shit. You really don't in the world anymore. Really, really don't. So what a treat. If you guys did like this video, please just subscribe. You know, we do like to highlight stuff like single cars out of the auctions. We do some auction walk around videos, but not a whole lot. As you can see, I am at a dealer only auction, and we buy and sell a lot of cars out of here, honestly. And I've been moving a lot of cars. We've got a lot of stuff in the pipeline, and a lot of stuff we've been working on, a lot of sales, cars in and out, just a lot of shit going on in general. And if you guys do like tagging along with that kind of stuff, and you like to watch people grow a business, and you want to learn how to do it yourself, subscribe, because I do like to drop little tidbits of information on how you guys can do this too. And I am only, like I said, 30 years old. I started doing this when I was 27, and there's plenty of money to be made for young people like us, and it's really not that hard, and I can show you the way. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and peace out, my dogs. And you know, just a little sneak peek for you guys on the way out of here. I have to walk right past the car that I have an episode coming out with next week too. This thing is insane. It's crazy to see this thing here. Brembos, Rays, just like in a point of disarray. Just insane. I don't know what the hell people are thinking. Real deal Evo sitting in a freaking goddamn auction lot. What? It's like, what? Insane.